Hey fellow aviators, Dan Johnson here reporting from Copperstate, where the Buckeye Airfair put on by the city, which brings out tens of thousands of people, has joined hands with Copperstate to bring lots of great airplanes and the pilots that love them to one show in Buckeye, Arizona, just west of Phoenix. This year we got a chance to look at this handsome Arion Aircraft LS1. Now this is a light sport aircraft and it's available as a special, meaning fully built, or as a ELSA kit, or as an experimental amateur built kit. And as a matter of fact, the company's done quite well in all three variations thereof. Look how smooth and sleek this airplane is. Doesn't it look like it would go fast? Indeed, with its Jabiru 3300 6-cylinder 120 horsepower engine, it scoots along real well, right at the top of the category, 120 knots. Look at those long, slender wings as well, and those big flaps, and you'll understand why it can stall at just 38 knots. And get this, it'll glide 17 to 1. No wonder it was a choice to be an electric-powered airplane by another company. All very interesting, great developments for this company from Shelbyville, Tennessee. And you'll see the operator of the company a little bit later in the video. But look inside the aircraft here with me as we see a 42-inch wide cockpit. And with 40 gallons of gas on board and lots of speed, yep, this airplane will get you a long way in nice comfort. But I said it would slow down. Well, that's part of those flaps. You've got lots of indicators inside with choices of instrumentation, but I love it when they do it the simple way. Markings right on the flaps to show you where you've got them deployed. Here's this handsome aircraft again in full form. It's represented in the western states by this gentleman right here. His name is Greg Hobbs, and he is the representative for the company, but he's also the man that helped stimulate this air show and the combination of these two. Let's go cross country to Florida now and have a look at another Arion aircraft. This one, and you might be able to tell by that bulging, macho-looking cowling, has the Titan 180 horsepower engine in it. That really makes this airplane scoot, and this thing does some good. Climb rate is 1,800 feet a minute. Max speed is 160 knots. Wow, this is a hot little airplane put out by this man here, Nick Otterback. See him at many air shows.
The Copperstate Fly-In has been bringing aviation enthusiasts in the southwest U.S. together since 1973. This year we are again thrilled to be hosting the Copperstate Fly-In at the Buckeye Municipal Airport, KBXK, in conjunction with the Buckeye Airfair. The dates for the fly-in are February 6 to 9, 2020. We anticipate that the 2020 Copperstate Fly-In will break all of our previous attendance records. Admission and parking to the 2020 Copperstate Fly-In and Buckeye Airfair are free, including the 2-hour air shows on Saturday and Sunday. So make sure to join us for a weekend of free fun for the entire family. See light sport aircraft, experimental aircraft, ultralights, vintage and military aircraft, as well as action-packed demonstrations. Visit the many educational forums, aircraft displays, youth activities, or one of the over 100 vendors. Copperstate Fly-In Inc. is a volunteer-run, non-profit organization dedicated to promoting recreational and general aviation through events, scholarships, and public education. Proceeds from the Copperstate Fly-In help support scholarship programs for youth seeking careers in the aerospace industry. We look forward to seeing you, February 6 to 9, 2020, at the Buckeye Municipal Airport, 3000 South Palo Verde Road, Buckeye, Arizona.